Hi everyone, we're back with my new molds and shapes mold, and this one I had the tray of it I did earlier, and now I'm going to do the coaster set. I've mixed up about 9 ounces of craft resin. It's a low viscosity 1-to-1 resin. I mixed a little over an ounce with some Fireball from Just Resin. I just put my stick in it, and then I came out here and mixed it up. My resin was at 30 degrees Celsius when I started. I also put 8 drops of Cast and Craft white in my cup. It had a little over an ounce also. I'm going to use piping bags, so I'm going to go ahead and put my items in the colors, whatever you want to call them, in my piping bags. And it's just because it's easier for me to control. You can pour it from the cup, or you can do whatever you'd like, whatever works for you. This works for me. Some people draw with their sticks and all sorts of things, all different ways. But this is what works for me. I find it the easiest thing. All right, so I got them in my piping bags. And the first one I'm going to use is my pigment paste. I like it because it's a little glittery rather than a flat color. I'm just going to pop off a little tip of the bag. And then I'm going to go to my molds, and I'm going to put it around the edge of my molds. And bear with me because I am doing 4 molds, so it is going to take me a little bit longer. And even with the piping bag, I am not perfect. That's okay. My dogs, can you hear them? They're starting to fight. They decided, oh, she turned the video on. Let's be loud now. They're over there wrestling. All right, let's squeeze the last little bit up. All right, that is it. Just debating whether to use the rest of this. I think I'm just going to save it, put it in my cup to the side. And now I'm going to take my resin and pour it to fill my molds. Just a light layer at the bottom. And I'm not going to put any inks or anything in because I'm thinking about backing this with maybe a black. So I thought the white would look good. Now I'm going to take my white. Again, cut just a little tip off. And then I'm going to draw my little design. It'll be anything but perfect. You can tell my resin is getting really thick. And I just like to do like a circle around the outside. All right, let me just check them out. I think they look okay. And last but not least, I'm going to put some little bits in the center. I have these from Laura's Art Corner, and they look like they match my fireball. I'm going to go ahead and just dump a little in the centers. And now, last but certainly not least, and I forgot my little baby wipe, I am going to still draw a little bit. And I am going to follow the mold, sort of. Where it's going in, I'm going in. And I'm wiggling just a little bit. I think it looks better if you wait just a little bit with this design because some of the fireball is already moving in. So I'm dragging a little bit of that in with my petals. Not a bunch, just a little bit. Sometimes I'm a little wigglier. And I like having my center in so I could pull over top of it. I see this center's a little off. There we go. All right. I'm going to stand up and I'm just going to check to see how my centers are. I'm a little off a lot, but that's okay. All right, that's it for now. If I just do a straight black, we'll come back and back them to, we won't back them together. If I do something different, then I'll bring you back to do the backs with me. All right, we're back. I went to back these and I thought, oh, look how pretty these are. I love the way it actually came together and looked like a flower. So I just backed these with clear, and then I backed the other two with just a resin dye paste in black to see how it, you know, the difference between the two. I'm super excited about these because I love both. I think I'm going to love both sides. We will see. Oh, wow. It is so soft and pretty. Oh, that's just gorgeous. It really is great. And I like the edge too. So pretty. All right, let's take the other one out. I can't wait to see the difference the black made. Oh, look at that. That is just gorgeous. And I love the just resin color that I used with the shimmer. Very, very pretty. All right, now let's see if the black made that big of a difference, if I'm gonna wish I did them all in black. Oh, wow. Oh, I don't know which one I like better. Which one do you guys think? The black or the clear? Look at how the Just Resin paste did around the edge. It's not as pink, but it's still just gorgeous. Oh, this is a tough one. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I think maybe the black. Let me know what you think.